Hi there! Today, I'm going to share how you can make this fun card that shoots out confetti when you pull down the tab. In this tutorial, you will need a cutting machine to cut the template. I provided a link for the SVG file or studio file for Silhouette Cameo that you can download in the video description below. There are three main parts on this card. First one is the envelope. Second is the card holder. And lastly, the card itself, where you put your message or picture. You will also need one rubber band, double-sided tape, and confetti papers. Once you have cut out the template, start folding all the score lines. Attach an additional layer for the pull tab. This ensures the pull tab will not bend or tear when in use. For the card holder, add a double-sided tape here. And fold it like so. This is to add thickness to the card holder. Now for the card that will pop out. You can add any message or picture you want. We're halfway done assembling the card. Now add a double-sided tape on the card holder. Place it just below the folded part of the card holder. Do not add the double-sided tape above it, since that's where the confetti will go. Going back to the envelope, add double-sided tape here. This is to close up the envelope later on. Time to add the rubber band. Attach the rubber band on the envelope first. Then attach the rubber band on the bottom flap of the card holder. Make sure the message of the card is facing front, like in the video. Don't forget to fold the top flap of the envelope down. The purpose of this flap is to make sure the card holder will not fly out when launched. Test it out a couple of times and make sure the card is launching properly before you close it up. Peel off the double-sided tape to close the envelope. There should be tension from the rubber band when you push down the card. Use the tab to lock down the card. Insert the tab from the slot of the card holder like in the video. The card will only launch when you pull down the tab. Use lightweight paper for the confetti, like wrapping tissue paper, but any other paper will work as well. Add just enough confetti. You don't need to overstuff it. You can add more decoration on the outer part of the envelope. You can keep refilling back the confetti once you've launched it. Hope you can also try this out and have fun crafting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.